Okay, James's Vintage Workshop here, giving you a demonstration of wooden frog croakers, I believe they're called. We have 4 styles, 4 sizes here. Just wanted to show people what these sound like and how you play them, because honestly, when I saw these over the years at music stores, I had no clue what was going on with them. I would always take the stick out. I thought it was like a cowbell and go. I mean, that kind of works, but not really. What you're trying to do is simulate the croaking of a frog. So let's go through all the sizes so you can see the change in tone, the change in pitch somewhat of the different sizes. So here we have this bad boy. He's about, oh my gosh, 9 inches long and one of the largest frog croakers I've ever come across. So here we go. This is how you actually play it. You can play it with the skinny end, more towards the middle, I suppose, for a different kind of tone, or the very fat end. That's about it. That's how you play a wooden frog croaker. So there is the large size. We'll call this guy Big Jim. Let's put a Big Jim over here for now. Let's go on to the next size down. We'll call this guy Little Frankie. And here you can see the change. A little bit higher pitched. Turn it around. He's hopping away from me there. Okay, next one. Let's call this next guy Small Scooch. That's his little name there. This is a different kind of wood. It almost looks like I don't even know, maybe an ebony of some sort. It's nice dark hardwood, unless it's just a stain. And I can't identify those kind of things. So here is this frog croaker. Should be a little bit higher pitched. I'm going to hold this with my other hand. I was trying not to because I have an injured wrist and it looks goofy on camera and it just hurts to do anything with. But I need to stabilize this because it's getting away from me. So I'm going to painfully hold it and pin it in between my fingers so I can demo this for all you. All right, here we go. Yeah, that didn't work either. Let's just try. Okay, wait, here. How about this? We'll just kind of lean it up against my hand and... All right. Try number 3. I'm not even going to edit this. This is live. So here we go. That's better. Ribba. Okay, and we'll go to the teeniest, tiniest little guy, Tiny Tim right here. Oh my gosh, this guy is so small. He's only like 2 inches. Well, I don't even know if you can hear this when it's this tiny. Okay, this I can pin between the... There we go. We'll pin that one. And here we go. Shh. And the fatter side. Whoops! So there you have it. 4 different sizes of wooden frog croakers. All the same type of little sound effect. And it actually does sound like a frog. I will give it that. I mean, it gives you the kind of that, you know, really late night in a swamp, brick up kind of sound. So there you have it. The wooden croaking frog array of sizes. James's Vintage Workshop.